In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add another account in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, all you have to do is just tap right here at the top left hand corner at your Instagram username, just like that. And what that will do, that will show you all your Instagram accounts that you have logged in, and that's where you can easily switch between them in that simple way. And also, in order to add another account in Instagram, all you have to do is just stop right here where it says add account. Then it will ask you whether you want to log into existing account or create new one. If you select log into existing account, you will be able to enter your phone number, username or email, and then your Instagram password. Once you've done that, just hit add login and your account will be logged in and added to that list. That's how you can easily add another account in Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.